Maheikol, education at your fingertips.
Hello there students. Ngasi sana na khoi gi damakta metric pakha da haugi ba chapter singi chahi magi noi gi damakta lakhola thame masdi kashurate 2023 gi metric exam gi bio gi saruk ki section C do aina sana ngasi solve to ge na khoi gi damakta video ma seme ngasi yeng ko so 2023 gi bio gi section C 28 marks to madumu solve to yeng minasi so ngasi di aina 2024 da same da ba 2023 same ba ma noi bu he na mu ta na ba si yeng ko akoi na 2023 gi bio gi section ze akoi na khangi chai khuding gi 22 bo era 23 bo era 24 era haugi ba chai sing ze question number kya dai hawe ba sana have da 2023 gi era 24 gi 25 gi question number 25 to hawe ko 26 27 28 ko 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 sine metric pakha ki question je ko section C bio gi saruk se question number kya de howe ba 25 de howe ko so high ba question number 25 se kai di kam chapter de ho bu no ai ba da madu khang na be da makta sana na khoi gi da makta ina set tor tham ne ba si je so si je khang bre yang si ko question number 25 se ni yeng matam da si 25 26 27 28 se masi 1 mark oi dine 1 mark ang dine mo ko je 25 26 27 28 1 mark people kya hang dune ba mari hang dune ba si hangi ba 1 mark people mari je kadai de no the track to boy one sana ko no ko the line ba da mo ti ngasi question number 25 se ngo unit number kya da hange unit number 1 da gi hangi to obra unit number 1 je na no sana have to live process ka control coordination je masi chapter ani je masi unit 1 ne ko bio gi question number 25 se 1 mark se kai de hange unit number 1 de hange next question number 26 ke no 1 mark bani 26 ka le ra siol sina unit number kya de hange unit number 2 de hange unit number 2 se kra na reproduction ka heredity and evolution chapter number 15 ka chapter number 16 ka se sina unit number 2 ne ko bio gya so question number 26 se masika de hange ba gyanda bra unit number 2 de hange ne bore other question number 27 ka lagi ho unit number 3 de hange khang bang bra unit number 1 dagi ma 2 di ma 3 de hange next question number 28 kai lagi ho yes unit number kya de hange 1 dagi hange so 1 mark people mari je unit number 1 dagi question ani unit number 2 dagi question ama unit number 3 dagi question ama hange ne si compulsory ne ko so how gi ba jai sing yeng ma tam da sumaina loina hange ne duna noina section gadam je ke no sana sai matang da langning je ke no live process control coordination da pa ma tam da 1 mark ka pa dai 1 mark people am hange lai tare yare ko sima khangani next 2 mark people question yeng asi 2 mark people question kya no ama ani ahum mari manga se simu yeng ko ai ama change to roke yo 20 ga 9 30 31 32 33 si sina mok 2 mark people ne sana hojik si purple ma chu chingi je sina kya people ne sana 2 mark people question ga ta ne ba yogi how gi ba chahi sing ju or lakh do chahi sing ju chama nai sana ai po si pattern je lakh ne 29 30 31 32 34 this question will be of 2 mark questions is it clear so yeng asi where is from question number 29 ji unit number kya de la ke 29 ye 29 ka chakra yes le to unit number kya de la unit number 2 de la next question number 30 ke le unit number 3 de la ubra tu ma pi ju bra tu ma pi ba gi next question number 31 ka le ge ngo yes unit number kya de la 3 de la yare ko next question number 32 ka le yes unit number 3 de la ubra next question number 33 which is the last question of this 2 mark pi ba ko de ta di ka de la yo yes unit number kya de la unit number 2 de la now sigi 2 mark se ka pi ba na unit number 2 ga 3 de 1 mark pi ba dagi na hang dra ta live process dagi or control coordination dagi hang dra unit number 1 gi saruk dagi 1 mark pi ba kita hang 2 mark pi ba question de amata hang dra 2023 da yare ko aduga lemhori ba change to ke ko machu ma question number 34 35 36 sina kya pi ba na 3 these are 3 mark question de yare ko sigi 3 mark pi ba kai de hang gi si aha question number 34 kai le yes the letter unit number 2 dagi hangi hereditary evolution dagi na tagana reproduction dagi hangi 34 unit number 2 dagi 35 no kai le ra sidai to unit number 2 dagi haibadi reproduction amasung hereditary evolution dagi hangi and the last question sorry question number 36 yo kai dagi hangi 36 yes unit number 3 natural resources our environment the regional environment haiba chapter 6 dagi hangi ko adu tadi question number 37 di kya mark pibana 37 di question number 35 37 di 5 mark pibana tro haiba question number 37 di unit number 1 dagi hangi haiba to 5 mark yare ko so sana sida pidi sidi bio da akoina unit number 1 2 3 haina akoina khaidokani unit number 1 comprises of 2 chapters chapter number 13 and chapter number 14 and chapter number 15 16 see in put like unit number 2 the yaudini and unit number 3 the last 3 chapters haibadi the natural resources our environment and the regional environment haiba unit ama ani ohum haiba unit ama ani ohum haiba unit ohum sidagi 28 marks neba hangdoise so sana na khoi sumaina ta isi kai gina ha kanda chahi gi sumai ta ko matam da noi karai de hang kani haiba se khangmang ngani lai ba matam su si hangak pa yaina o adu dari si hangalina haibana chingba mayam ado hogiba chahi mayam se na kanda nang soidana fazana attempt to ngam dori bani ko so hojik karamba question number 25 to question number 37 je loina ina unit karamba lakani high grabani na now let us see what is question number 25 question number 25 na kari high even have the mo yengasi ko so ihan hanba 2023 ge question number ahanba question number 25 se ana yengasi ko question number 25 se akoina kari high no high ba se yengdringai mangona na before we proceed question number 25 let us see question da mathak dana irisam dana yeng se ko sini kwat maru is answer question number 25 to 28 in one sentence each question number kya ba 25 tagina 28 pau se subna tagi sentence amada you have to answer it only in one sentence okay so nana khangye na mo isan na to bu ka imta kana ga da na te ko yari makai ten iba machang ye question number kya dagina from question number 25 to question number 28 hai bidi kena hai be question mari sa si 1 mark pi bangak tane do 1 mark pi basidi nang mark ka chana na khumu hai ri bane yare ko so yenga se ha bada the first question is define apical dominance hai base kari no hai question number 25 na apical dominance hai daga kari bu khangnai what is apical dominance so akoina apical dominance hai akoina masi answer se pidring aida sigi diagram se sara no khoi damata semi diagram se masi bu hana yeng si ko sigi diagram se da ahan ba khoi pambi ki part ki saruk ama hana khangje ba ko pambi ki mathak thangba masigi maton thangba jaga se masigi reason se bu akoina kari hana ko ge matam da akoina apical reason ko ba ko si je maton se ki ko ba apical reason ko masigi apical reason je masida kari towi auxin taraba plant hormone kari ko ba auxin haiba masigi plant hormone je ya marang kaina lei habdi ke no haiba masigi plant hormones di it is a growth promoter plant hormone pami u chahon mada pami u sangdok pada cell division da mateng pang manina pami u jara sangdok pada mateng pang kada wai jaga da apical reason da kana yam yawe ba oxygen yamna yawi so as the oxygen concentration is very high at the apical region it stimulates cell division and responsible for the elongation of the plant body pami ji sangdok pada mateng pang now adu targadi hariba magi lemhori ba sai jaga je sigi hek maning thangba jaga sai jaga je masibuna kai jaga no har kanda we call as lateral region ne as a lateral region da yawa bat sing de khoi kai kora lateral butt sai si diagram se udi ubra sana ye is ubra we go so second lateral butt sida akoina oxygen concentration maton da wang khrabina swai jaga da akoi gi growth che khara suppress toraga lei kai do bagi lei no apical region se growth leiraga yauraga leire banina lateral butt sida growth che handaraga lei yare ko now sigi diagram si maton akoina sigi diagram se maton se kakthalaga mu apical region se lok thok khraba tar di ke dora to si diagram se lai ko yare bo khange ko apical region lok thok ki tar ke dora there is growth in the lateral bud amu growth amu kedore laikhale karigina apical region lokhoki matamda magi oxygen concentration sai jaga da mu wange lateral region da wange aduna cell stimulation tawra matungda mu lateral bud ki jaga se mu nang growth lai ne yare ko maduna akoina thengna ngoni nang pambi da yengo pambi ma smile leba pambi ma ko sigi maton je akoina lokthok se si maton je lokthok se adu tadi ka ne sida yaw bud to swana bu growth lawedra adu tadi mathang da mu lakpa matam di si mu kakthaki matam da swana mu growth lawedra adu tadi akoi si kamai thengne akoina garden gumba ko laikol gumba da sapa matam da moina tongan ba dome gi shape square gi shape entrance ga leitra design elephant gi structure ga sa mem design to leitra mana pungal laga sema mem do madu sigi phenomenon sida thoi bane to aina apa ma size wa ka ga da no kak pa kan di mana sum pam mi jaga da sum sai lateral region sum growth la ko ne ka sum sem bi ai khang ni ko adu da khone apical dominance ha kai no ha kan da it is a phenomenon in which kamai to ba lateral bud se remains suppressed to lateral bud to chau hen bra ka su hen gi bro lateral bud to chau hen bro ka su hen de kari gina apical region the oxygen marang kan yaw le bina growth zum le bani na lateral gi jaga da suppressed to ga le kam ganda if the apical bud is intact means not destroyed lokthok traba करिगुमा कायबम लेत्रबा लौथोपी द्रबा ओ चाउरगा लेरबा दु तारगदी एपिकल रीजन चाउरबनिना lateral breath suppress तोरगा लेहोबगी थोंगदुबु we call as apical dominance kowe you got my point so apical dominance haibase thongamani it is a phenomenon in which lateral bud are remain suppressed kadobdi suppress torina apical bud na lepretina chaugiba destroy tawdabadagi adum chaugibadagi lateral bud to suppress to lehobi thongdubu apical dominance hana khangnai yani ko so let us see the next question that is question number 26 question number 26 na kari hai bi yang si what could be the possible function of calyx and corolla calyx amasung corolla leide yauriba calyx amasung corolla gi mathausa kari oiba yabage sineba question number kya hai ba 26 na hai se so aina na khore diagram pusala masida answer se khumring da diagram se da hana khangse kaino se ko so laida yauri part myam ma lai khangi ko laida yam drabada four sets of floral parts yaw gudabani that is calyx corolla androecium gynoecium hai riba lai gi pola mari yaw bataragadi maduba koina mapung fa balai we call as complete flower hai riba four sets of floral parts ama hek episode batara yaw da we call as incomplete flower Gan dai ko sana ja so aina ngasi pusala to jidi calyx corolla androecium gynoecium hai riba lagi polam mari sida mana hangi si kanai mathau no calyx and corolla okay we are going to discuss calyx and corolla's function ne calyx ka corolla gi mathau tu ne ko na si khang do se so calyx and corolla se kara yaw ge mo ge ngasi so this is the calyx tu sida yaw ri se kakak law ba ko sigi jaga si ne ko na calyx na is understand aduga corolla is the kana no hadi laigi fazariba bright oiriba laigi fazariba color bright part of a flower we call as corolla yeah bra saradi khangam bra so hadi ba calyx amasung corolla gi magi mathau sine ba khona khang de ko so amutang yengsi calyx se kari hana su ko ge have matam da we call as sepals hana su ko draw next corolla se kari hana su ko yes kari hana ko petals yare ko so now let's come to the point calyx and corolla gi magi mathau se kai no ha ba da yo lai da manung da yaw the floral sex organs ama yawi ha ba di gynoecium oi bi ai androecium oi bi ai ha ri ba lai gi manung da yawi ba floral sex organ ji bu kupsal laga yawi ne moina chundre do so lai da yawi ba floral sex organ bu mana protect to yawi ni kai na nuksi sit pai oi tin kang pa pe ai manung da floral sex organ ji ken gi be ai mang ki be ai masi guma mayam da gi kan bagi mathau um di tore kana na yom je laga yawi da bani na yare ko so ai nam mathang hai be ai tu di is to protect the floral sex organ sigi point ma hai be yare khangadra manung da yok laga manung da yom je laga lai da bani na kai da ba floral sex organ makai do mana protect to be the function of the calyx and corolla is to protect floral sex organ hai be yadra tu dia next point da mu yeng si insect na sida tonge tin kang ma tonge ko sida se honey bees me pai re adu la hi chupe ko sida gi adu ganda sigi anther sida gi sigi stigma sida mo pollination to pollination khang bra pollination is the process in which transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma. So pollination to matam dang hak tang oi su tung ga ko sumaina pollination to the mateng pang. So it also act as a flag apparatus for insect pollination. To insect pollination to pada ngak tang oi tung na mafam jaga am pv re kana na corolla and calyx. Haida adina sa ina hai kiba calyx amasung corolla gi mathau se kari no hai base kaino we can answer this question as the function of calyx and corolla is to protect floral sex organs and also act as a flag apparatus for insect pollination. You got my point? Say hi, one magniko. I have solved question number 25, question number 26. So let us see the next question, that is question number 27. So let us see question number 27. Question number 27 is apart from providing oxygen khakta piba natana, upambi singna also help in purification. Upambi singna they help in purification of air. To upambi singna oxygen piba tanatana nukshit pu seng dok pada mateng pangi chau cities sing sida mean many cities. Justify the statement by giving 1 point. Hai ba masigi statement je achum statement ni chumdra upambi na oxygen khakta piba natana nukshit pu seng dok pada mateng pangi hai ba se masi yani hai dana point ama piu hai bane yare ko chak charaga puk tharli hai ba se yaningi hai dana statement masigi statement ju point support organa point ama iu achuma point amada nang na iduni hai tare statement bi ba ji ko so yang asi aina sta pi ba picture je yo sida upambi haure ko sorok sida gari chali ba sida khoina upambi hobo thenare masi upambi thari je khoina not only for decoration khata na te ba phajana ba greenish look adu khata gi na te kai do gi purpose ma serve to dana thari ni si je khoina road divider ka wi side of the roads to tha ba ko matai da su akhoina bazar da chalwa nga tam da traffic jam nga tang thoka da su yeu ne naka da yengo upambi dum hobo thena na when is in the sides of the roads and the road dividers lambi gi mayai somna na oina lom da la somna ye lom da la na tro sigi lai ba maya is the road dividers upambi hobo thena ri zikari gi no ar kanda high riba toxic oiba gas myam amazu akoi lepalaitana atmosphere thado ini vehicular pollution ko vehicle dagi carbon dioxide carbon monoxide thado iba aduguma gas myam ama thado riba myam do toxic over gas myam do madu kana chupsan gi ar kanda it will be absorbed by the trees which are grown even in the roadside aduna ina understand to na beno ida the same in ya ko aduna san answer smile ire to trees absorb many toxic gas to toxic gas means harmful over gas mamma chupsal le kana trees ya ko and thus help in keeping the air pure ya draw aduna upambi singjina they absorb the toxic gases marabuduna kedora upambi singna oxygen khata piba natana nukshipu sengdor ma mateng pangi ya draw next question. Question number 28. This is the last question of 1 mark of year 2023. So the last question of 1 mark is question number 28. Let us see what is the function of the functional unit of kidney. Functional unit of kidney. Unit means quite a big pipe. So kidney bu sariba quite a big pa masai mathol exaba quite a big kidney sariba to kanano hai. So as we know, kidney is an excretory organ. Natra kidney is kanano is a excretory organ of vertebrate animals. So sarna sidila itu diagram pusala kidney. So kidney is kanana sagi na mu yung matamda kidney quite a big pot masagi ultrafiltration unit. Lo le jaraba gumba nephron hai potana sari ni ko akoi mi ba se chawe natra it may be multicellular unicellular we are made up of all the living organisms are made up of structural and functional unit called as a cell. Likewise kidney je kanana sage ni matam da quite big pa ultrafiltration unit oi raba dugum loba nephron ngaktana sai. So this is the nephron adida koina kidney bu quite big pa masai mathol jaba kidney sari ba potokana no na hangamna. The answer is nephron. Nephron is the functional unit of kidney. Question number 28 to lower go 1 mark people there. So let us see about question number 29, which is 2 mark people don't. So question number 29, let us see question number 29, which is about 2 mark. Question number 29, the hold do 2 marks there. 2 mark people can do no mangang do nebuka. So let us see question number 29. How does an organism be benefited if it produce through spores? Spores in a raga masama suputopasa. Masina organisms in the karikana gabaka. Organisms in the karikana gisine. Organisms in the karikana bafangeo. So there are a lot of organisms which produces their young ones through different various methods. Natra, akwai di sexual reproduction puthoini. The sexual reproduction sinner puthokpa nataba atopa organism mayam amasu leiribani asexual reproduction sinner puthokpa natra. Ada akoina reproduction hariba chapter ko chapter number 15 da akoina tammi asexual reproduction gi makhal ama tammi. Kare tammi sporulation natraga spore formation haiba ma natra. Spore formation natraga sporulation haiba se karisu nate method of asexual reproduction in which new organisms are produced by forming spores. Spores in a raga masama subu puthokpa. Madugi method of reproduction dubu when a sporulation hana kaweba. So spores in a raga hangi question spores in a raga ziba pan basingna masama subu puthokpa zea magi kana chaba magi khudong sabasi karino haibane. So in a diagram ama noida sana set toroga thame diagram si yengsi answer si diagrams no uramagani komalupan daga am hoba. It is very common in Manipur also ka. When Manipur am common noiba adumba pambi ma kangni ko fern haiba pambi ma uramani ko drypteris plants haiba masigi ferns mana macha masu puthoklam daida koina heaga mai mana thadalaga yengba matamda haiba pambi sigi maning back side se kai thengna ga gebu nang matum dama macha ko adum udi ubani but khardi pe nang na simple microscope guma machine raga hena yeng mode hena nungai gani ko hari ba siku pambi se masiki maning de kai na pe sana do disa nothing disa spores ne na pi meam se to na pi macha meam se kai ne ba spores ne ba yara ko spores are nothing, they are the microscopic small bodies containing a nucleus and a cytoplasm with a protective covering haiba. Spores is a nucleus cytoplasm aduga protective covering amagaloina ragalaiba. Asiguma minna ubagam daba macha body sing dubo spores hana khangnaiba. Now spores in a raga masama suputoposi karikana ge have a matam da yemo hiking siko. Sigi pambis na kariguma no nuship matam da go. Pire, Sigi sports is a masama nantore. Snaggy money the gate sports ma'am must pire lay. Go sport ma'ams. Masigi sports na kangfana taba matam da. Kedora Magi unfavorable condition or regazu. I bet the yam satina saba from the taraba. Natagayam satina ingma from the tarmatam the sigi spores there. Germinate toro, but 2 minute election like a tar lane. Yereko, but when favorable condition comes, Magayam Chanaba environmental condition to Lakumatam the D, hide with spores there, Hogala ani. Yadaraba, spores get on Hogala ani. Yereko to the Aquina Angang Ama Poga. That's like a hui, get a hangdong, get a uchi, get a macha poktoga. Masama the Hingerabangam Bagiji, Karawaro Roshan Haja Chumra, who take Matama nest Zulere and Laurazi. Highly bo take na nest labor my mamado, ha, she Laurazi, but the nest lady ba, who take Matama baby birds, ma'am, dubu, Masama the survive to Bangam Bagi possibility, name it in a Chumra Sanaja. But spores in a putuiba Masama Susing Zidike Dogebu, when any type of unfavorable condition comes, the spores have the ability to survive under unfavorable conditions. Yam extremely hot wagera, yam satina ingera kwa, moy unfavorable condition, the moy hingbangam ganiva, spore yam sitting I will pose. And the one thing is, high thousands of spore ni putrote. So chama machani masida taragazu. Large number of organisms moy hingbanga moy draw, yam putopunga moy draw. So the benefited the benefit that if it produces through spores sinaraga puthokpagi kana ba haibabu large number of organism ama puthokpasu ngamgani ba. Not only that, puthoiba macha masu sing do masing yamna puthokpa khakta natana spores sinaraga jiba ba masing na kana ris amana kari no macha masu singi wa natabida spores singje unfavorable climatic condition da moi survive to ngamgani. You got my point? Adu mo yengasi ko spores can survive under unfavorable conditions. I have unfavorable condition. I have the chana bangam daba. Makoiga chana ba hogupada chana bangam daba environmental condition do. Kari obi extremely hot obi ing bay. But to sine ba je. But when favorable condition comes, baga chana ba environmental condition do lakpa matam di it can germinate to give rise new individual to. Ano ba masamasu pibangam lagani ba. Sina point naman lire ko. Tumang nina point ani pibita ni 1 + 1 2 lakto nina. Sundar do. Alo tadi mathangi kana ba sina karino large number of organism can be produced through spore. To spore sinaraga masing yam na jiba ba masing putok pa yaba. Masiman ne bano ni khangdusi. Yani ko sana diagram sin noibu understand to no sana hapchen bagi wani answer jidi kaina point ani kaltani unfavorable condition da ma germinate obangami. Sorry, unfavorable condition da spores survive toroga favorable condition da moi lakpangamba. Number 1 point. And next point kariba large number of organism do bakoi do produce obangame kana sinaraga spores sinaraga. Yani ko. So let us see next question number 30 do mugi ngasi ko. So ngasi di sana no ida soi dana yam na maru oiba announcement pi ge ko yam toina hangak pa sada Maheikol karmaina join to deno thagaliba videos me amma materials me amma karai deki fangdoino haiba yam question am hange sada ko. So ngasi di soi sedana I'm going to explain you. Maheikol karmaina join to gani Maheikol karmaina register to gata ke haiba matamda ihan han bada phone call ma sa long to solo na ta message thajalo karai da kai thajan deba 70056899729 high numbers here ahing nungdang nungdin khaidana salon message thajalo na phone to solo ko. So high masigi numbers dana nana message thajan matamda kamai ba your class nangi class amana nangi subject sing yawning subject sing dana nangi punamak information do sida hana thajalo I giving sir Priyo kawi or I ming Priyo kawi I class 10 I science key subject yawning you can choose the subject or you can join all the subjects of your particular class. Here go. So high river see numbers the message thar matung the phone to matung da moina kai dorani high river numbers then na registration to matam da subdagi subject amakhakta nangi particular class nangi class to subject amakhakta da yamna sathi na honge ai tare lupa lising amakhakta ne subdagi lupa lising amakhakta ni chahim da ko aduga nangna anytime nangna school la khangakta ba adagi nangna chathok chasin to bai darkar kari gumam to oidra hai tare hai ribas da video lecture sama nangna walk trigo yeng ba ya ni walk trigo anytime infinite hours to kana sina ba ya gani materials fonga gani hai ba chahi machine ba ngam da di nang tha da pa to lising ama je tha da pa to ne lupa kya da gyo yam de hai tare yare ko sanai ja so no khona join to lenga di sigi phone numbers da SMS hazalo aduga nang payment or kanda join to we ani aduga mokhoina pirakani le payment or matunda moina nangi sungsoi sodana nangi password pirakani ko haiba password sinar kanda nangi tongan ba smile tongan ba nangi admin ma pirani aduga nangi nangna yawning subject sing do thola ani smaina namagana videos study materials everything loina phangani yare ko sanas noina toina hang boda si answer ma khumme next adu question number logder ji makado. So let us see question number 30 ki tumang people yeng se muka what will happen when the insects are eliminated in the food chain of ecosystem akoi gi leiriba environment akoi gi ecosystems dagi akoi na karigumba if insect sings loina eliminate over means loina lokthokraba loina hatokraba oibai loina lokthokraba oibai loina manghan gi taragadi kari orpa yabage habani ko. So what will happen na harak taragadi akoina question ji khangi this question is application question neba ko kari orak pa yai suggest any two measures kaga haiba ko what will happen kaina haiba se these are application question neba ko so akoina application question haiba se yam luba mali ko minati ta ba yam luba ko ngau ba question it may be difficult but the answer is very easy yare ko sana ining is ngasi dagi khange ko question je luram ba yai but the answer is very easy so pakakano ba kari oira pa yaw ke habani insect se lairam na tara kadi adu tadi insect ki role du ne ba koina tammi na tra adana magi maru oi ba insect ki importance to koina tammani na hairiba mayam du oira roi hara lori ke no na tro so koina insect ki role kamai tamme insects are good prey makoi insects is a machinjak oiri bani for many other animals like toad or birds bird na uchek sing na pairaga insects do char ga hingdro moi jo adi makoi je prey ne na tro there are prey for lions. So, insects is prey for many other animals like toad, bird. Number 1 point. And number 2 point is insect karamakai like honeybee karipi honeybee dra. Adana insect karamakai di chinjak oina akoi the pieba. So insect they provide food for many other animals. Here you go. Next time we insects have medicinal values. Insect karamakai di medicinal values layo. Noi taram lagani caterpillar. Caterpillar taram ni ko sangol nachan gana labuk nachal gana lay bini ko. Hari ba masiki sangol nachan labuk nachan zaya. Masiki ka koi ki yu gi machin jigana. Pajana put laba khang do ko. Aduga bottle lam da hapchal laga. Achik pa apum ba tang ba tai ba phai hai nei. Adu tadi caterpillar to the among the medicinal values yaw da bra yawe. Adana masumana high be lore two answers there. Sana it is noiga no manana ide they have late ainas iba answer nisina muka. High river insects are good prey. Insects are good prey for many other animals like spiders, toads. See role of insect in every time. Adana sigi insect na magi machinjak mayama to pasa mayami machinjak oi. So if they are eliminated, mojilo talk about insects in the ecosystem look talk about for chenda kai pirani. Like in a side, question may be difficult, but the answer will be very easy. Application questions. Here go. Next point, next question, next answer, the next point. Go. Insects are base pollinators. Sundra. So if they are eliminated, insects there will be no pollination. Obviously, there will be no pollination. Sundra. So as a result, flowering plants may become extinct. Lay sarva pambi dena tramoina lay sarva pambi sing dena tropone pollination tholi do. So insects in lay taragadi pollination thoroi pollination tho taragadi pollination tho taragadi kadani flowering plants ki varieties of flowering plant da my generation la imam do la roi na tro adana flowering plants je muchi ba ya bane. So ina sagalini ko swana no sagala ibam change lai na. Next time insect ki magi maru oi badai na sahib do honey bee give us honey. Koi na koi pina tra. Adu tadi honey insect honey bees insect in the mod like that. Foods often from the insects may be affected. Like the way, pick the way. Koi insects like the taragadi koi like the taragadi koi kagamoy. Chumbra. So an oil paya was in the either. Sana it is the three itokre. You choose only two. Apam point. Kakandeva ani kaktankalaga iro. You got it? That is question number 31. This is also 2 mark people. See, question is 2 mark people. Sana have the 2 mark people. 2 mark people. At the point 1 plus 1 equal to 2. See, I'm like give 2 points of differences between differences between social forestry and agroforestry. Social forestry ga agroforestry ga kari khana ge hai baza EU sine. I don't know the high though. Mention 2 points of difference Hairaba. Nataga give 2 points of differences Hairaba. Adu taragadi. Question is my high taragadi. Social forestry, whereas adu even no haiba. So mina differences pala, but differentiate palagadi. To ana kalam mani shema iyo. Aduna marks. So shadana pangdara to naitare. Yereko. So question na is a social forestry ga agroforestry ga kari khena bage point ani khak you. So ina haibadi matung ina nakoizu ilagani khali kalamani sheme. Social forestry harabanina mana hana halabanina som the igara kadaba. Se satra yam to we dare kamai to riba. Sigina some the any, seen some the neighbor. Other point is Seranga Toranga, Mark Pibaya, they have a Mark people Kang Deva. Mark Pibaya, the late Mark people Kang de late call. Other Sina Hana Halabrina, Sina eat table. Understand or Sina Sida table. Gareko, as the young as social forestry. Social forestry, Hypersequina is the plantation of trees, herbs, serfs, go. Trees, herbs, serfs, mama, plant of the tha, do Nicaragua, unused, season areas like unused farmland, community land, sites of roads, railway tracks. Railway ki lambi ki matai the tha, lambi ki matai the thadarava. Community lane, akwai like community hall ma'am like draw. Akwai be jagara tharapaya, brother, tharapaya. Adugo season the lamang to mang ma'am the tharaba. Masi tharizikarigina. Forest cover the Karamakadi, forest get declined over Karamakadi, Hangatune. Lolona, forest the pyramid pressure, sing kunbagi UABI, charcoal topagi UABI, firewood UABI, forest the pyramid pressure do, Karamakadi, Sungso is within a handani Kaigina, Akoigi, a Siguma Zagadi, Tataraga, Sumudagi, on a production the low taragadi, Akoi, forest the pyramid pressure, or Karamaka Handaro draw. And then a social forestry hive is there. It is a plantation of trees, serves in unused farmland areas. Yarako, Kai OBI, side of roads, railway tracks, community lane, Asiguma Zagara Tabudu, a social forestry Kawi. Next point up. Agroforestry. So agroforestry is a combination of agriculture as well as the forestry technology. As the name suggests, so agroforestry means agriculture ki pochiga forestry technology and is a combined over it. So it is a combination. It is a combination of agriculture and forestry technologies for integrated, diverse and productive lane. Hadi akoina labuk lamang ma paksan akoina tharaje mahi marong ma. For example, maize or vi chujak tha gera ko tharaje. Magi matai du da akoina achau pambi ko yam kana ba thabaya bra da bra yai da na ko akoina thanari duni adugumba agriculture ki pochiga mahi marong crop production to duisiga forestry ki technologies me amaga punjal lagta ragadi madugi potubo khoina kari ko ga kanda agroforestry ko adi sigi technology na kai puthogane one time the agricultural product as well as forest ki products ani to puthoroi draw. So it provide both agricultural crops and forest goods di na maitan oi bi ai tumra adagi firewoods oi bi ai asigumba forest ki phang products me ama phangani meantime agricultural production phangani yareko. Next the social forestry di kai phangani, it provide forest ki product, that is firewoods for the means Sana Chanaba Machin Jack to Nico, Adugum Mam, the Fangani, and is a manabana, Manade, it's quite different. Here I go. So, my point to Sida, Sigema, Ama Piratable. Sigema, Mark Capital, Ama Piratable. So, my daughter, 1 + 1, you'll get 2 marks. Next question is question number 32. Question number 32, suggest 2 practices to be followed for the conservation of conventional source of energy. Loi banai badung ma form of energy mayam dubu loi khidana bani conserve tawnana bani haidana tawgadaba thodang ani khak hayu haiba yare question ai je amuka haige question ai je suggest 2 practices akoina tawbi aba thabak sing tawgadaba kaidona ba tawdoi conservation of conventional source of energy loi banai ba dugumba source of energy sing dubu loi khidana ba conserve tawnana ba Chanaba yaba, Chanagadaba, Tong sing and you have been able. So, Aquina Kangi, Lady ba petroleum, Amasung coal reserves there, it will not be longer last. Chumbra, Queen Sana Lero, Aquina Pangiba petroleum products, Mamma, coal reserves, Lady Mam say, Sahi Chaka later, Matunda di Kerla, Matunda di after 40 to 65 years ago, after 40 to 65 years later, high river coal reserve petroleum reserve things the sungso is written low kragani. Now see low matunda atopa resource me amudi lakani, even though high river resource things there have the conventional source of energy coal petrol things there moise pasana conserve to say high taragadi akoina tawba yaba khongthang ani dudi karino. Number 1, we have to turn off light, fans and other electrical appliances. Electrical appliances means electric system raga operate tauba khuchu khulai ma'am. For example, electric bulb is one of them. Electric heater is one of them. Yum the lady electric heater oigena, rice cooker oigena. This is that they are electrical appliances. So high electric cylinder operate tauba khuchu khulai ma'am do turn off the way. Sikari hainam manung the kari umum lady kaino. Akoida mai haiba simaktabu ko electricity haiba simaktabu kadai degi sungi haiba matamda generally ising degi suli sungi ko hydro power plant lay thermal power plant lay ko nuclear power plant mayam lay ba lay budi so hai mayam degi loina budi sungi but India da sungi ba mai se anamba kadai degi sungi hai matamda thermal power plant that is nothing thermal power plant kana sina ge matamda coal is the prime source of energy name thermal power plant gi sunga ko to mai se kana de gi no yeng matam da coal is the prime source of energy in thermal power plant adu tadi akoi da mai muthat pa ga kana ga mai lena ra coal reserve se conserve to ga mai lena bra na da bra lena re ko dia mai phasana wise manner sina ta ga di coal reserve se khara kuina sa to na tro aduna season da matam da Season when not in use though. Season akoina may thado thamba, fan thado thamba, hide mayama mazia, sungto toroi dabani. May thadoga thamoi dabani. We should turn off when the electrical appliances are not in used. Gandarni ko. Next time mukai haiba. To ride bicycle. Siti noina quite tanba ko. Quite tanba. Hojik 10 pe khalu raga 12 pe khalu raga gari macha lebi yu mobile lebi ona mi haira ngaraga leading ai marak sida mu haijale to ride bicycle cycle thogai oi cycle bicycle thogai roi or just to work down small distances instead of using car and scooters natro so car and scooters leiba adi gari macha leige adi you are going to buy this petrol so the bro gari to hek lady go nang going to buy petrol or diesel Sumra, the minatro. So then exam raga petrol, hanba yava gari, diesel hanba gari, you are going to buy it. Later in Natrava. So say labor high you are going to buy petrol and diesel. So petrol and diesel in turn they are conventional source of energy. Loiban the bro. Loiban naiba natro. So loiban naiba poaching name nana sina dui pochi. Adu targri aquina petrol mosung cool, aquina conserve to get high targadi. Adu thobidra loi ke no gari thobidra ba scooter thobidra ba cars thobidra ba kam ganda khong chatpe ya ba jaga chin be ya ba jaga cycle thobe ya ba jaga di sino no ba adu dadi petrol diesel do conserve tawni petroleum conserve tawni obviously conventional source of energy you are going to observe conserve tawni next point is question number point number 3 tak mukari hagi engsi to use as far as possible renewable energy sources like solar energy, wind energy, hydropower source of energy. Hadi loiba nai the form of energy that sina taragadi akoi conventional source of energy se conserve to bangam niba. Noksa manga loiba nai solar energy is non-conventional source of energy. Natro wind energy, hydroelectric asiguma mayam je koina loiba nai da ba posak sina taragadi akoi loiba nai ba khara makai conserve to ba ngam gani ye haba. So high masigi points there. Masidagi you can choose only 2. Ani katang khalo. You got it? So let us see next question. That is question number 33. Question number 33. Question number 33 ne kari high game matamda draw a diagram of LS of a beam. Ako ni yeng to ise LS of a beam ne. Ako yeng to ise ko LS of a beam. LS of a beam. Beam chituma ye ni aduga level to maming thonde ba. Maming thonde se kari kari no thonde se embryo ai ba maga kotli thona maga. Ye pa ki mark kya no ama aduga half mark sina ani ji punja laga 1 mark. Ji kya na phangde se suksa soida nang 2 mark phangani bu ko. So ye asi LS of a beam jana ye asi ko. So beam shape ama beam sheet ama nang na ye bu matam da sumani ye o ha ma ko line na ba. Sima na yo. Ere ko aduga magi sheet ko to una ba sumana. Ere ko next my sheet ko to na khar hapsan ai khapsan ge sigi jaga ne embryo loi doi je babdar ba so nana sai ki plume radical thingala podo mana happy ताके को माना सिगी जगह से कोने यावरी से कना यावरी बा एम्ब्रायो है बस याना बा सिगी माताय माताय अनि जे सिने के को बसना कोटी लीडोन है से याना बा अदु तारगदी केनो ये इबा डायग्राम से मो ये कितना याब्रा यादे ममिंग थोम मम चंगद्रो सो फिगर दा ममिंग कै थोलदी से फिगर केनो LS of bean sheet another 19 you got my point. Next question. So koi makha tarapa question number 34 yang asi ko. So 34 se koi na holding ai da mata da piri posana yang se answer question number 34 to 36 in about 50 word each. So sina mulak to na 3 mark people question ga tane ko. So na idoi ba se question number 34 and 36 ko masi 50 words miki mayada I gida bane hai tare ne ko adra question ha ri ba question number 34 se mark kya pi bane ba 3 mark adu tar ga di na at least 3 point gum di yaw da ba ya de ko point dam ne ba mark pi ri se point ma iraga na mark ma phangani point ni iraga ma ani to mana ko yeng si question number 34 kari hai no yeng se what are the advantages of propagating plants without using seeds. So seeds is na raga masa masu puthok pa se sina ta ba gi kana ba se kai no sina ta baikana bas no give 3 points akoi hanga maru se hanga maru hulle hawai thra lingi na traga hawai thra maru se lebak da ha ba ganda hauri na so sit sina raga pami puthoina si suna na tawida akoi na khudamana akoi sugar cane ni chu tha ba se ka dawi chu tha ba matam da koi na sai taw reu chu pambi se akoi ka dawra magi smaina makam kana magi not reason na trasi yaw riza si not reason ni si not reason ni si not ani ki marte internal ni ko si not but macha thindo but macha ko ka ran pami macha sana ko leibak ta yung jela je lawra je khale hor par hau tabra hori si da ko sit yaw warna yaw de chumi ko asigumba sit sin da ke puthok pa nataba magi khudong saba sing kari no adudi mana hangi je kitang lai tor hangi ko lai thui ni vegetative propagation ana matamdra vegetative parts ki pambi sing puthokpa hadi pambi gi root stem leaf but asigumba pambi gi parts di masa masu puthokpodo madu gi kana ba hangba ga chap mana yaba here ko sanai ja adu tadi magi kana ba se number 1 da sana kamana ire the offspring produced are genetically identical to that of their parents hagira to the plants hagira hadi ine se chu angang ma thare how do pambi sing do ke no chu angang ma ta ni adu tadi sigi magi phangi ba magi offspring de ke no masa masu sing ji ko sigi offspring ji ka kana ga mana ya ba magi parent plant do ko parent plant do chak mana ni ha ba genetically identical ho ya di ke no a ho ta di a hai ta re chap mana ba we call as genetically identical ai gi parents ga ai ga je genetically identical oi de ba masak ku chu mana de ba ko smai do na na sa gi chu di chap mana ni hai ta na vegetative propagation ki kana ba hai gera sit sin ga puthok na ta ba gi kana ba hai gera aha mana kana ba se kai no bu genetically identical offspring se puthok pa ngam me ya ni ko next number 2 point ka ri hai no mu yeng si number 2 point na the method is used to produce seedless plant to ya ba seed yaw to ba pambi sing puthok na ba sin na ba da masi sin na ye ya ko next number 3 da rapid method of reproduction abdi masa masu ya mathuna puthok ngam me rapid meaning fast hai bane ko fast masa masu puthok pada yam thutna puthok ngam mi ha ya ra adi makha ta ba question number 35 mu yeng si ko question number 35 na kari hai no yeng si differentiate monohybrid crows from dihybrid crows with 3 points monohybrid cross ka dihybrid cross ka differentiate to hai bani point kya pi do ba point home pi raga u hai bani ko so pi mark se 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 have 3 mark ni biris adi akhoi ne khangi yeng monohybrid cross ana hala bani na monohybrid cross irani dihybrid cross na slime ni ko dihybrid cross ri ye sima kaw ba de si si ni na go oda onagi be to onagi oda munna na yengo ba question ne karana hali no do so monohybrid cross is kai no yeng si mono hybrid ki meaning di 1 hai bani ko di hybrid meaning di 2 hai bani so hybrid means intermixing hai ba yansana ba hai bani cross means opposite sex ani hai bani ko nupam nupi cross to ba di hybrid means yansana ba So one pair of contrasting characters. Mana daba aina mana awang balog taragadi aina anem balobi tare. Mana red flower oragadi ay white flower. Character mana daba contrasting over characters. Ko one pair loba taragadi maduga yanjalaba taradi we call as monohybrid cross. So monohybrid cross, it is a cross between two opposite sex parents in which one pair of contrasting character is taken into consideration. Sinigo point je. Sina diadi kya warni ya? Sana hamda diadi ani warni. So awang baga mangon de layang ang basat ba. Aina anim baga layang o basat ba. Ya bra dabra. Amusi yung be negro nupa yam na wang ba. Yare ko masam jutu rung khoi ba. Korea nupi yam na nemba ngoksok sung ba. To. Sin is a cross to matam da hai tare kati keno character kya lawi ani lawi. So two pair of contrasting visible character lo utaraga na ako na kikawe ba dihybrid cross ka webo ko. So two pair of contrasting characters are taken into consideration na ije. Yara dro. Si khang gata bne ba smaina mahut tan na khang mom changi ko. Next time mo monohybrid cross ki next point ako na point ama ani point ni ito point ama khang ga. Ani suba point da na khangi first law, second law na labor law of inheritance law kya lay ani lay ahan ba law na kay gawi law of segregation na lay tra ani suba law na kay lay law of independent assortment na lay tra. The first law hybrid ka na no law of segregation se monohybrid cross ki derive to ropne monohybrid cross ki derive to ropne yare ko. So first law hybrid law of segregation se is derived from the monohybrid cross. Yare ko. Second law hybrid ka na no law of independent assortment hybrid po law se ka na derived to ropne is derived from the hybrid cross. Gyan da. Next monohybrid cross ki phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio, phenotype means ke no those characters which can be seen by our naked eye bane. Aina khang mangam yenga khang mangam ba. Mi magi pukning da yaw ba si mi jam phata bani. Ma yam pijaning da bani guys ya khona khang mangam de dana. Mi do yeng ba de khang mangam de dana. Chomra sanai ja wangi pa I muye sangi wang si khang mangam mi dana. Minna ura khang mangam ba characters dina kai ka wa sanab do phenotype character kawi minna ura khangmangam da ba character do na genotype kawi ko. So akoi ki nasai ki F1 generation da magi results sama laini monohybrid cross ki minna ura khangmangam ba awang ba mi kya yaw bada ane ma pambi kya yaw ri haina cross to matam da yeng modo adu ki phenotypic ratio do kya oige monohybrid cross ki ningsango 3:1 oibani ko. Aduga dihybrid cross ki phenotypic ratio do kya oiba 9:3:1 9:3:3:1 sana phabala 93:31 na phajalo phabadi yani ko 9:3:3:1. So these are the differentiate between monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. So now exam the 2 point kitang irama taragadi you'll get 2 point 2 mark here ko 3 point iragana you'll get 3 mark. So hang pekada ka for day don't forget in your exam you have to write at least according to the mark distribution system according to the mark allotted you have to write the points in the EU have yara do khangani ko matang question number 36 amu yengasi ko. So question number 36 is the last question of 3 mark pibagi aroi ba question ni ko. So yengasi question kay hai no se how the wildlife can be conserved wildlife se kamai to conserve to bangam gadagi hai bani ko. Give 3 points point kya idoi ba ahum mi doi yare ko. So wildlife se conserve to dringai the wildlife hai se kai no khoi kana yengsi wildlife hai ba se pambi oigera sa oigera ko to oisano okoina sanga dai ko. When classroom the changa what is wildlife sanga ita haire nate sanga zunga ni ko tagodabu pambi oirsu sa oirsu yai tagodabu miyoi bagi ayet apan amata yawda bida miyoi bagi ayet apan amata yawda bida maning makha tamna natural habitat the lazy ba adu ma pambi sa sing du bukina wildlife ka we khongnang pambi se wildlife ni chumra da adagi lion je wildlife ni maning makha tamna natural habitat the lazy ga miyoi bagi ayet pa apan ba amata yawda na lairi ba pambi sa sing dubu wildlife ka we hide ba wildlife se khona khangi matam gi matung ina nature da hong pa matung ina they are declining day by day sum handare wildlife sing je ko. So hide ba wildlife sing je khona conserve to na ba kari to we ya ba sing hai bane ma hai se ada masi khang na ba ina ama lokha ki ko example ma yeng akoi loktak pa te yeng je ba ko akoi gi loktak pa ta leiri ba se loktak pa ne assume to ko sida khoi sangai leire lors pajara ba sangai am leire gelas ko. So loktak pa ta leiri ba yeng se ko loktak pa ta leiri ba sangai je bo ina conserve to we ma wildlife ni dana chumdra sangai service LD do mazu wildlife ni natra so hai ba masigi wildlife sangai jibu ina conserve to ge hai ta ragadi magi sigi phumdi leiri ba ko kaibul lamjang national park se ina sum manghala ba phumdi ge sum manghala ba adu de ina si sangai jibu conserve to ni ko law ya gadro ha ma bo ina nisda gata nomai ga pa ina ko ta mayam to re magi habitat si sum manghala pa adu conserve to ba ya gadra ba ya gadra ya roi chumdro adu itar gadi mana charagi hingi ba magi pambi macha macha sing du khoi conserve to bata bani magi habitat myam du conserve to bata bani ising mai sing mana thai ba ising mai sing myam du swai da leiba nga phanam ne na chemical sinaraga phaba electric shock to raga nga phaba adu magi ising mai sing du khoi na pollution thok ta na ba hona bata bani pambi macha macha sing mana charaga leiba pambi macha macha myam shock ta na ba hona bata bani natra magi habitat to kahen da bata bani so when the first point that when ikat pa yari zekai no when khang ba yari zekai no wildlife ma conserve to ge hai tare ke di magi natural habitat mayam se protection people ma change ba protection of their natural habitat se ma change ba magi akoi ba leiri ba magi atop species mayam ma su conserve to ma change hai bani da adana sir na first point ina ikhal easy kari hai ne ino yang asi protection of natural habitat wildlife to conserve to ge hai tare ke di wildlife to leiri ba natural habitat tuma phasana control to ba maduma phasana ngak pi sen bi ba protection to ba ma changani ba lolo na atop lai ba maga hingmine species ma'am jo changani ha yare ko next point na mo kai dora yengo sida mu yeng si swaida koina sigi sangai gi magi maku gi pattern ja koina yam tangna rarely means yam tangna phangaga kadigumba koina puraga ko atop country ma daga koina chatla jeba atop country da puraga sangai gi maku si porpa matam da say around say 2 lakhs 3 lakhs 12 lakhs ha sine da ko yam tangal la sine 12 lakhs pi ge la on ha je masi so da ti mi singna ga da sangai je hatna ko tana karbar ma tawning na ko ning na for ba ya dana pu da ko tana adu ma me am je koina pha ta ra ba si to di to ya ro penalty si pi ni si thing ni ko ni gan adu ma restriction me am ma pisan ta ra ga di a ko si conserve to da mateng bangal tro adu ta di tu imposing restrictions I think thamba imposing means thamba kai restriction me I think thamba on export of rare plants to aduna tik karwa to ba thingi ni chumra adagi candlewood ka khoi gi noi sima da uram lagani udro sima da u karwa to ba tamil gi sima lei ba lei tabro leidana adugumba u tang ba u gumba pambi sa gumba adugumba mayam ma karwa tawriba mayam do maduju niyom chumna masi Tingadabani, I do think that I obviously Pambi Sasing Dokana Matomla, conserve the Raniva wildlife. Here go. Next time, mostly light Ahum Subanagano, imposing protections through legislation. Imposing protections in a Ngakto Pideva Kana through legislation. Through legislation means through law. And you meeting Makada, Makoiseko, I did say Hitara, Jelaleba, or find a Sutibagana. My Toroganda, Aquena, Neum Kangonama Semakanda Logimatung in a protection to be by. So, Siki practice home said, no, Atopa Mam Lab and Nicola Budi, Sana in a Kankalagan, no, the Liba Poto Iwani, no, at any point, Iway to the boo, that's so the Changi because it's Sana 3 points, and no, the Mota Kankalaga Iwanika. So, next question, question number 10. Question number 37 is 5 marks. So as we know, biology question section C 28 marks starts or begins from question number 25 to question number 37. So question number 37, which is the last question. Last question is 5 marks. Describe the role of adrenal gland. Describe the role of adrenal gland. Adrenal gland ki magi roles hai. Magi maru ba thodang do. Under the emergency conditions like stress, danger, fear. So magi mai maru thodang do manga ni ko so no gi larikta yaw risna control coordination ne yaw ba animal hormone do ada adrenal gland gi matek tu ne ba idui ko so sana khara hapchali yengsi adrenal gland gi location ga loi hapchan mai ko loi hapchan mai manga pirak pina ko between around bush na kitang pi ba tare khar I ba tare ngang ba tare so adrenal gland hai ba zikra da lege hai ba kan da khoi gi kidney ko we have 2 kidney natra kidney ye thangba oi thangba pair of kidney so kidney gi mathak thangba jaga sa nappaga yawraga leiriba portune ba khoina adrenal gland an hai is so adrenal gland gi location is they are located at the upper portion of its kidney ko mathak thang jaga da its kidney da yawe nakana ni makti yawi hariba masigi adrenal glands in the thado ti mahi ke kaweba adrenaline hormone hai bedine ko so adrenal gland na thado iba adrenaline hormone na mana stress anger amasung fear da kamai toroga tawe do madu sang you hai describe to hai ne ko so sang da kamai ide a pair of adrenal glands je ko yawi kai da yawi situated on each side of the kidney ko kidney nakan sing da masigi adrenal glands yawi which secrete adrenaline hormone to adrenaline hormone thado eba kana thado iba the adrenal gland will release adrenaline hormone maming lower tholini ko salivary gland kai thado I saliva hormone ki wana te ko na di maming lower thombi wane ade thyroid gland kai thado I thyroxine hormone babtar ba to mana popo macha T series ta kaudara pado tomba tombi tomchau tomthin gana tomthin gan ba everything T series ta kaudara pado yare ko to main leidana sumai to na adrenal gland na mana thadoi ba hormone dubu kari kaweba adrenaline hormone ko so this adrenaline hormone as the name hormone harmina they will release directly into blood directly thadokani gyandai ko kari because they are endocrine gland exocrine gland hai utong pa yauraga thadotini dena so endocrine gland ina hormone release torabanina they are going to release their hormone directly into the bloodstream so how the adrenal gland na adrenaline hormone do thadwe how the thadwe hormone do they are directly released into the blood directly thadwe amusu khansi how the adrenaline hormone se ai normal situation da ko sarja ai am normal loina leiraba adu oi taragadi ai adrenaline hormone do chang amoy dum thado khone yare ko ai sigi studio sida kai gomba dang long na bom bokhai mo suruk tum tar ai tumina dum leigada leiroidana ai pakat pathukat pama fauroidana adu oi taragadi ai onda yauriba adrenal gland na normal situation da thadora roiba excess amount da thadora ni khare yam thadora ni kai do ba hai ba madu ki pakat pathukat pa mayam leiriba mayam do control to na pai da makta adrenaline hormone will release in excess amount thadora ni yaraba adu kan mana heartbeat ka se control to to ni ai gi so hon gi chang respiration gi chang ja mana control to ni yare ka duga muscle se contract to ka madu kitang release to na ba adu ma maya mama mana control to budu gi da makta ne ba ko nang nei na du ji ko yenga si adrenaline is also called kari hana su ka we it is also called emergency hormone because it is released only during the period of emergency conditions yare ko no baba ma accident thore ne no ba to accident thore kamai to ni aga ma thore bo adu de ai chela gi gan to go ka su to roi dana ai onda ya na pakhat pa situation ama la oidro adu gi situation du ai face to na ba ade khud accident no tho na ma mi ma si le re adu tadi adu gumba yam hard oi ba situation da na onda control to na ba ne ba adu na bu ma se ko na emergency hormone ka uri ba ne kana no adrenaline se in normal situation to cham na normal lama oina leiba matam na di these hormones are secreted in a small amount to kitang thado ko dum lai however when a person faces stress or danger mi dona khudong thiba nangaba o khudong thiga nangama power je kari ko pakha thukba lai taradi these hormones are secreted in large amount to yam thadora ne kari gina hari madu ki emergency oiba situation do control to rokto ne hai tare yare ko kana na adrenaline hormone na marabuduna emergency oiba matam da khara yam thado I normal situation oiba matam na kitang thado I haidana bu maje khona emergency hormone kauri bani ko so these are secreted in large amount to prepare the body to face emergency situation to ngakting gi emergency oiba situation do madu mayok na ba ngam na ba khara yam thadora ani this increases the rate of heartbeat to ai heartbeat to kadawa hengalani adrenaline hormone hengala do ni kadona ba ngahak ta ki pakar pathuka pada dakar oiba more amount of oxygen do madu pibire mi je pakar de so tabe tabe hondro adu gumba mayam do supply of oxygen do more fangna ba idamakta heartbeat kasi to kadoni thukadala ani also blood supply to the digestive system and skin is to reduce to contraction of the muscles around small arteries in the organs these organs to directly more blood to our muscles. The breathing rate, so on begi chang su hengale due to the contraction of this diaphragm khangbra, this is muscle do ko flattened muscle. Adagi kadaba reefs, also blood pressure su kadore mana phasana control tawre, sugar level control tawre hengale maramaduna madugi adrenaline hormones ya karihana su kawi flight or fight situation, fight or flight reaction ko hana kawi high level adrenaline hormones na asugumba thodang mayam se lobuna maram oiraga adrenaline hormones ka hana kawi bokana emergency hormone hana kawi ko. So simangai 2023 question number 25 to 27 ko 28 marks simangai. So I hope that you will study very hard. Aduna vision yam chauba vision nama thambiu loina na vision laina actions oriented view aduga mai pakpa mi mo oimina siko. So thank you so much for today.